friends! This is Kitty XYZ. Learn, play, and smile.
Today we're going to learn about parts of a computer. Let's explore them. This is the monitor. It shows pictures, videos, and everything we do.
This is the CPU. It is the computer's brain. It does all the thinking. This is the keyboard. We use it to type letters, numbers, and words.
This is the mouse. It helps us click, move, and open things on the screen. Speakers. They let us hear music, voices, and sounds. These are headphones. We use them to listen quietly without disturbing others. This is a microphone. We use it to record our voice or talk in online classes. Hello. This is a webcam. It helps us take photos and do video calls. This is a printer. It prints our homework, photos, and drawings on paper. This is a scanner. It takes a picture of paper and saves it inside the computer. This is a UPS. It gives power for a few minutes when electricity goes off. This is a joystick. We use it to play games on the computer. This is a hard disk. It stores all data, like photos, videos, and games inside the computer. These are CDs and DVDs. They store movies, songs, and software. This is a pen drive. It stores our files and helps us carry data anywhere. This is a graphics card. It makes games, videos, and animations look smooth and clear. This is the motherboard. All parts of the computer are connected to it. Wow! Today we learned so many parts of a computer. Keep learning and keep exploring.
Thanks, friends. Like, share, and subscribe.